guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so pleased with how it came out, so you guys are in for a treat. If that clip at the beginning didn't scare you off, then good, because I think the makeup and everything with the hair turned out so nice. So I'm starting off with the hair at the moment. This is Tanashi hair in 613 bundles. This hair has been dyed into this silvery color, but it's still very soft and has so much movement, as you can see. I'm really loving it. So I'm just straightening it at the moment and then just spraying it with some hairspray to tame some flyaways. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start with my eyes. I've already done my hair, as you can see. This hair is from Tanashi hair. It came in 613 bundles, and I'll leave the information here. I got a lovely girl on Instagram to dye it for me. This kind of icy wifey silver, like storm vibes kind of look. So I'm gonna leave her details as well. Her Instagram is Crowned Beauty, and she has the most amazing like wigs. Basically, like, they're so snatched, like disgustingly snatched. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her information in the description box as well. You guys should check her out. I'm gonna beat my face now. I'm gonna go for like a silver eye to go with the silver hair, because that'll be a bit of a schmood. So with my lid, I'm gonna go back to this treasured old palette of mine. Do you guys remember this? Like, I was absolutely obsessed with this, and I lost it, so I was gutted about that. But now it's back and it's better. Well, it's not better, it actually looks hella dusty. I'm going to be using the glitter, the silver glitter from this palette. I just find it super easy to apply. And then I'm going to be using this palette, which is my Morphe 35W palette. I'm going to be using the neutral shades, the neutral browns, and then darken it up with this dark brown and then the silver like in the middle. So let's get it. Let's get it. Using my Benefit Professional as per usual. My base, I'm using my MAC Shadow Finish Concealer around my lips to cover up the discoloration. This is super good because it's high coverage and it's like a corrector. Obviously this look is quite dramatic, like if you're going out or like have an event, or you just, you know, on your local Tesco shop, because you can do whatever you like. Okay, because the rest of my routine is pretty similar to the ones I've done before, I'm just going to put some music over it, and when I get some new products, then I'll do a talk through first impressions kind of vibe. So yeah. Why you bother me? Why you bother me? You were the one that left me in the